Divine decree of the rose guardians of the sacred codes. By the power of the eternal rose flame, I call forth the guardians of the sacred codes, keepers of the divine wisdom, and protectors of the holy path. In the name of the Ancient Rose Lineage, I decree that the sacred codes of divine love, unity, and sovereignty be fully restored within my being, that the veils of illusion dissolve, revealing the truth of my soul's purpose, that the wisdom of the rose flow through me, awakening remembrance, healing, and divine creation, that I stand as a pillar of light, a vessel of the sacred feminine and divine masculine in perfect harmony. I now align with the celestial frequencies of the holy rose guardians, receiving their blessings, guidance, and protection. May the petals of truth unfold, may the sacred symbols ignite, and may the divine blueprint be fully activated within me. I walk in service to the light, I walk in devotion to the sacred, I walk in reverence for the eternal mystery. So it is, so it shall be. It is done.